adventure as well.
There are people with games.
There are people with games
and stories to
tell. Open wide, come inside. It's Play School.
Hello.
Hello. A train in Play School today with an engine and 2 passenger carriages.
The train is at the station.
Some passengers to get on the train. We have Dougal, hello, and Chloe. Just finished drawing Chloe's face with 1, 2 eyes, a nose, and a nice big smiley mouth. Hello. Dougal and Chloe are ready to go.
I'm making a flag for the station master to wave the train out of the station when it's time to go. I put the stick on this piece of paper, tape it down, and there. Put the flag in the station master's hand, and the station master is ready to wave the train off. Train on platform 3, ready to depart in 5 minutes.
That's Dougal and Chloe's train. They better get their tickets. Over they go. 2 tickets to Derby, please.
There you go.
Thank you very much. Right, they got their tickets. Chloe wants to get some food before she goes on the train, so it's off to the food kiosk to get a sandwich and a drink. There we go. And Dougal needs to go to the toilet. So I think there's plenty of time before the train leaves. Dougal, off you go.
Have you ever been on a train?
Dougal is ready to go.
Train on platform 3, ready to depart. All aboard!
In you get, Dougal and Chloe.
There, the station master waves his flag. Wave, wave, wave. Blows the whistle. And the signals turn green, so off the train goes.
The train chugs along, the train chugs along. Up and down the mountain track, the train chugs along.
Woo-hoo! Come on, trains, keep chugging.
The train chugs along, the train chugs along. Up and down the mountain track, the train chugs along.
This train has a whistle.
The whistle goes woo-woo, the whistle goes woo-woo. All across Australia, the whistle goes woo-woo.
Woo-woo! Chugga, 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 chugga. Down the mountainside, chugga, 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 and stop. Here they are in Derby. Dougal and Chloe get off the train. Off you pop. Put their ticket through the turnstile, and through they go, through the gates, and into the town of Derby. Here we are. Oh, some lovely flowers. Dougal and Chloe are going to visit their grandmother today, so they buy her some lovely flowers along the way. There you go. Dougal and Chloe are having a very busy day today. I wonder what day it is. Brum, 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 brum. Brum, 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 brum. Here comes the bus calendar. Brum, 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 brum. And the name of today is Monday. It's Monday on the bus calendar. Well, come on, Dougal and Chloe. Into the bus you get. Don't forget your flowers. And the bus will take you to your grandmother's house. Brum, 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 brum. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, brum, brum, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, along the city streets. Brum, 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 brum.
Come on, buses. Wheels going round and round and round. Brum, brum, brum. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round over the city streets. Psh! and stop. There are lots of wheels down here. Pictures of wheels cut out of newspapers and magazines. Now, I'm going to use these pictures of wheels very shortly. But first, a drawing. Now, can you guess what I am about to draw? I'll give you a hint. It goes, woo woo! And you sometimes see it on the track. And this is a carriage. There. Can you guess what it is? Woo woo! That's right. It's a train. Now, a train has lots of wheels. So I'm going to put paste all along the bottom here, like that. And then I'm going to select some wheels, all about the same size, and then stick them to the bottom of the train. There. Stick, stick, stick. Wheels going on the bottom. Lots and lots of wheels. And one more. There. Woo-woo! Wheels on a train. Now, for something different. Wheels first. I'll put some paste on this wheel. Paste, paste, paste. Place it down. Then paste on this bigger wheel. Put it on the bottom. Now, I'm going to draw some pointy ears and some whiskers. What can it be? And a big wavy tail. Can you guess what it is? Meow, meow. It's a wheel cat. And now another wheel animal. Paste first. Now this time, nice wavy paste line. Wavy paste line. Make sure there's enough paste on there. And then lots of wheels stuck, one behind the other. Ooh. Stick, stick. I wonder what this could be. Ooh. Lots of wheels. Nearly finished. And one more. There. Now, I'm going to place some legs. Short, stumpy legs. This animal must do a lot of walking. And one more. And on its head, antennae. 1, 2, caterpillar antennae. Can you guess what it is? Wriggle, wriggle, wriggle. It's a wheel caterpillar. Wriggle, wriggle. A bit like the caterpillar that Arabella Miller found. Little Arabella Miller found a woolly caterpillar. First it crawled upon her mother, then upon her baby brother. All said, Arabella Miller, take away that caterpillar. Do you have your woolly caterpillar? Come on. Little Arabella Miller found a woolly caterpillar. First it crawled upon her mother, then upon her baby brother. All said, Arabella Miller, take away that caterpillar. There. Well, we've done a wheel caterpillar. Crawl, 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 crawl. And also a a wheel cat. Meow, meow. We've also put lots and lots of wheels on this train. Now, there's a train in the story today, but before Georgie sings the story, let's have a look at the train clock. What's the time on the train clock? Well, the big hand is pointing straight up, so it's something o'clock. The little hand is pointing to the 5. It's 5 o'clock on the train clock. Here comes the train. Woo-woo! And on the back of the train today, a digger loader.
And the story today is called Down at the Station. And it goes like this. Down at the station, early in the morning, see the little puffer trains all in a row. See the engine driver pull the little handle. Choo-choo, 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 and off they go. Puffing by the stables, past the cows and horses, who do they see in the fields today? Chug, 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 they see the happy farmer over in the long grass, driving the tractor and making hay. Climbing up the steep hill, watching clouds above them, who do they see soaring in the sky? Vroom, vroom. They see the tiny pilot waving as she passes, up in her airplane flying very high. There's lots to see from the train, isn't there? Dashing by the forest and over the river, who do they see at the bottom of the hill? Boop, boop, boop. They see the friendly driver handing out the tickets. The little yellow bus is standing very still. Chugging past the harbour, the seaside and the beaches, who do they see on the waves below? Splash, splash, splash. They see the old sea captain heading for the quayside in his rusty tugboat with a ship in tow. Going through the town now, past the shops and houses, who do they see working by the road? Oh, crash, crash, crash. They see the busy builder pulling on the lever, and the great big digger drops its load. See a digger loader working on the road as the train goes past. The journey's nearly over, here is the station. Who do they see giving them a cheer? Oh, hello, hello. They see the station master waving them a welcome. Hello, hello, you're here, you're here. Down at the station, later in the evening, see the little puffer trains all in a row. Good night, says the driver as he pats the engine. I'll see you in the morning. And off we'll go. 3 little puffer trains all tucked up in a row for the night. And that's the end of the story.
This little boy getting ready for bed. You can get ready too if you like. This little boy all ready for bed. Down on this pillow, he lays his head, wraps himself in his covers tight, and this is the way he sleeps all night. Morning comes, he opens his eyes, back with a toss, the covers fly. Up he jumps, is dressed and away, ready to work and play all day. Yippee! Ooh. Beds for the toys. Big Ted and his bed, Jemima and her bed, and that's Humpty and his bed. The beds need a little decoration. They're rather plain. Big Ted's got his firefighter's hat on. So, why don't we put a picture of a fire engine on Big Ted's bed? There you go, Big Ted. Now, Jemima has her riding boots on. So, why don't we put a picture of a horse on Jemima's bed? Giddy up, horsey. And Humpty's got red spots. So, I'll put lots of red spots on Humpty's bed. 1, 2, all over. Spot, 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 spot. There. Decorations are finished. It's time for the toys to go to bed. Humpty, straighten up that tie, please. And into bed you go. There. Ooh. I don't think you can go to bed with those riding boots on, Jemima. I'll have to take them off. Off they pop, and into bed you go. And Big Ted, you'll have to take your helmet off, and I will tuck you into bed. There. All the toys are tucked into bed. Good night. What was that, Jemima? Jemima would like to go into Big Ted's fire engine bed. And Humpty would like to go there too. He'd like to try Big Ted's fire engine bed too. Okay. Come on, Humpty. Ooh. Scooch over there, Big Ted. Ooh. I don't know. It's going to be a bit of a squash with all 3 toys in Big Ted's fire engine bed. There were 3 in the bed, and the little one said, "Roll over, roll over." So they all rolled over, and one rolled out. Whoa! That's Big Ted. There were 2 in the bed, and the little one said, "Roll over, roll over." So they all rolled over, and one rolled out. Oops. Humpty. There was 1 in the bed, and that one said, "Good night." I think all the toys should go back to their own beds. Come on, Jemima. Into your bed you go. And Humpty, you go into this one. Good night. And thank you for sharing your bed, Big Ted. Into bed you go. There. All the toys are tucked up in their beds. We're going to see someone going to bed now through the windows. I wonder which window it'll be today. There goes the round window and the arched window and the square window. It's the diamond window today.
My name's Molly, and I like drawing and coloring in before I go to bed. My big brothers, Jack and Nicholas, like playing games.
Jack, Molly, time for bed. Would you go and clean your teeth?
Cleaning my teeth is fun. Jack and I like doing big spits. We have bunk beds in our room. Jack sleeps at the top and I sleep on the bottom.
Who's ready for a story?
I love bedtime stories.
Okay, Molly. Which story would you like to hear tonight?
Mummy, can I please have that one?
Sure. This is called Emily Loves to Bounce. Emily loves to bounce and bounce and bounce and bounce. Boing, 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 and boing. And now Emily has gone to bed. It's time for you and Jack to go to sleep. Good night, Molly. Good night, Jack. Have a big sleep. No.
Good night, Jackie.
Molly's all tucked up in bed for the night. You sleep all night through and you wake up in the morning and you jump out of bed. Come on, you jump too. Ready? You jump out of bed in the morning. You jump out of bed in the morning. You jump out of bed in the morning. You hope it's a very nice day. Let's see, we've jumped out of bed. I know, let's brush our hair. You ready? You brush your hair in the morning. We brush our hair in the morning. We brush our hair in the morning. We hope it's a very nice day. There we go. We've jumped out of bed. We've brushed our hair. I know, let's clean our teeth. You ready? We clean our teeth in the morning. We clean our teeth in the morning. We clean our teeth in the morning. We hope it's a very nice day. Well, it's a good thing that we've jumped out of bed and we're all clean because it sounds like the train's about to leave. We better go and catch it.
Woo, woo. Train on platform 1, ready to depart. All aboard. Here's Chloe and Dougal. They've had a great day, but it's time for them to go home now.
Yes, it's time to go home now.
Woo, woo.
Train whistle blowing makes a sleepy noise. Underneath the blankets are all the girls and boys. Rockin', rollin', riding out along the bay, all bound for Morningtown, many miles away.
Let's sing that again.
Train whistle blowing makes a sleepy noise. Underneath the blankets are all the girls and boys. Rockin', rollin', riding out along the bay, all bound for Morningtown, many miles away.
Woo-hoo. It's time for us to go now.
Bye. Maybe you'd like to make woo-woo noises like a train.
Or make a bed for your toys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Woo-hoo.